Namaste. I, Isha, Cultural Secretary of the school, welcome you all in the morning assembly of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today is 31st December, the last day of the year 2021. Firstly, I would like to invite our Sanskrit teacher Acharya Sunil Dutt Gautam to share today's Panchang with us. Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2078, शक संवत 1943, आज पौष माह के कृष्ण पक्ष की द्वादशी तिथि है। आज का नक्षत्र अनुराधा, आज का योग शूल है। प्रविष्टि की यदि बात करें तो आज पौष माह के 17 प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं। मुस्लिम माह जमद उल अव्वल की आज 26 तारीख है। आप सभी को आगामी नव वर्ष की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आपका नव वर्ष मंगलमय हो।
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to start the prayer, so I request you all to close your eyes and join your hands for the prayer.
All classes be ready for Gayatri Mantra.
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
All classes be ready for prayer.
जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। जय वीरेश्वर जय शिव शंकर जय 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 महाराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। मोहतिमिरहर प्रखर दिवाकर उदित जगत हितकार। मोहतिमिर हर प्रखर दिवाकर उदित जगत हितकाज तमनाशक जड़ चित जगवत चेतन सकल समाज तमनाशक जड़ चित जगवत चेतन सकल समाज मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल 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 त्रिभुवन के सरताज मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल त्रिभुवन के सरताज सकल विद्या शांति हरो प्रभु सकल विद्या शांति हरो प्रभु चित में करो विराज जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज
अस्तो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ Be ready for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
Now, I would like to invite Mukta ma'am to aware us about an infectious disease, tuberculosis. Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear students. Today I am going to aware you about a disease, tuberculosis. Tuberculosis, TB, is an infectious disease usually caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacteria. Tuberculosis generally affects the lungs but can also affect other parts of the body. It is curable and preventable. About 1/4 of the world's population has a TB infection. It occurs in every part of the world. In 2020, the largest number of new TB cases occurred in the WHO Southeast Asian region, with 43% of new cases, followed by the WHO African region with 25% of new cases and the WHO Western Pacific with 18%. TB is spread from person to person through the air. When people with lung TB cough, sneeze, or spit, they propel the TB germs into the air. A person needs to inhale only a few of these germs to become infected. There is a difference between being infected with the TB bacterium and having active tuberculosis disease. There are 3 stages of TB. First, exposure. This happens when a person has been in contact with or exposed to another person who has TB. The exposed person will have a negative skin test, a normal chest x-ray, and no signs or symptoms of the disease. Second, latent TB infection. This happens when a person has TB bacteria in his or her body but does not have symptoms of the disease. This person would have a positive skin test but a normal chest x-ray. Third, TB disease. This describes the person who has signs and symptoms of an active infection. The person would have a positive skin test and a positive chest x-ray. General signs and symptoms include fever, chills, night sweats, loss of appetite, weight loss, and fatigue. Treatment for tuberculosis usually involves taking antibiotics for several months. In latent TB, doctor will give medication to kill the bacteria so the infection does not become active. The person might get isoniazid, rifampicin, or rifampin medication. You have to take the medicines for up to 9 months. A combination of medicines also treats active TB. The most common are ethambutol, isoniazid, pyrazinamide, and rifampin. You will take them for 6 to 12 months. If you have resistant TB, doctor might give one or more different medicines which continues up to 30 months. People do not need to be admitted to hospital during treatment. For preventing the spread of infection, if you have a latent infection, take all of your medication so it does not become active and contagious. If you have active TB, limit your contact with other people. Cover your mouth when you laugh, sneeze, or cough. Avoid spending a lot of time in crowded places. Wear a surgical mask when you are around other people during the first weeks of treatment. Don't visit other people and don't invite them to visit you. Stay home from work, school, or other public places. Use a fan or open windows to move around fresh air. Don't use public transportation. The only available vaccine is Bacillus calmette-guerin, that is BCG. In children, it decreases the risk of getting the infection by 20% and the risk of infection turning into active disease by nearly 60%. I hope you find this information useful. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would like to invite Sumati of class 8th A to share a motivational story with us. Namaste, Sumati.
Namaste, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I am Sumati of class 8th A from St. Vivekanand Millennium School. Today, I am going to narrate a story about the secret to success. Once a young man asked the wise man Socrates the secret to success. Socrates patiently listened to the man's question and told him to meet him near the river the following day for the answer. So the next day, Socrates asked the young man to walk with him towards the river. As they went in the river, The water got up to their neck. But to the young man's surprise, Socket ducked him into the water. The young man struggled to get out of the water, but Socket was strong and kept him there until the boy starting blew. Finally, Socket pulled the man's head out of the water. The young man gasped and took a deep breath of air. Socket asked, "What did you want the most when your head was in the water?" The man replied, "Air." Socrates said, "That is the secret to success. When you want success as badly as you wanted the air while you were in the water, then you will get it. There is no other secret." Moral of the story is a burning desire is the starting point of all accomplishment. Just like a small fire cannot give much heat, a weak desire cannot produce great result. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Sumati. Now, I would like to invite Ishrat of class 8th B to tell us about New Year. Namaste, Ishrat.
Namaste. I, Ishrat, a student of a class 8th B, is going to tell you about New Year. New Year is the time or a day at which a new calendar year begins. Many cultures celebrate the event in some manner. Indians celebrate New Year on date according to their own calendars that are movable in the Georgian calendar. On the night of 31st December 2021 and the morning of 1st January 2022, people in many countries will celebrate the beginning of a new year. In many cities all over the world, spectacular fireworks display as soon as clock passes midnight on 31st December 2021. The new year is a perfect time to make a change for the better. The tradition of making New Year's resolution is more common nowadays. This tradition involves a person making a commitment to change an unwanted habit or behavior or setting a personal objective. I hope you all have made your New Year's resolution. Thank you and wish you all a very happy New Year.
Thank you, Ishrat. Now, I would like to invite Sia of class 7th A to share a new word with us. Namaste, Sia.
Namaste. Today's word is impasse. Its meaning is a situation where no advancement is possible. Its synonyms are deadlock, jam, standstill. Its antonyms are movement, passage. Example sentence: a successful person always tackles every impasse in his life.
Thank you, Sia. For more information regarding the school, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. That's it in today's assembly. Take care of yourself. Enjoy the last day of the year. On the behalf of our school, I wish you a healthy and happy new year. Namaste.